Thank you, man. Do you get water in the airbox, Peter?
Nope.
I'm hoping I'm safe.
Or if I did, it came out the tailpipe. Either way.
Coming out.
Woo! That was a lot deeper than I ever expected it.
Lock it. I think I did.
Did you? Hydrolock it?
Just what it sounds like. Got it adjusted. Damn it, why'd I follow you, Peter? Oh,
Told you, certain death.
You're not the first person to say that.
It wasn't like it was hot. I was just sitting there watching it. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm halfway through. I'm like, this isn't bad. And then it went all the way under.
Be one Woody.
Probably gonna have to kick that, huh?
I'm gonna just check to see what the filter looks like. No, it's still fairly dry.
Good?
A little bit in there.
Fire it up. That's a great feature.
Went up the, oh wait. No, that looks like gas in there.
Fire it up.
I'll give it one more shot with it. Start it.
Mine does the same fucking thing since I rebuilt it.
You've got big tall leg that can do this.
I do. Me in gear? Look like I'm in gear.
You got water in it? What kind of gear? Hold on, let's take the ball.
Yep.
Then we need to take the tank off.
That's not kicking like it should.
Nope. We're going the other way. Okay. How'd you get through that? How'd you get through that, Peter?
Talent, good looks, charming personality.
Well, my kid's 3/4 of an inch lower. That could be it. Fuck.
What do we need to do? Stand it up on its head?
Let's do that first, probably. Let's stand it up and get, let's bring it out. Let's bring the crank out.
Fucking thing won't even, now it's moving. There we go, hold on.
Looks like I got water up in the car, I guess.
So, where do you want to work on it? It's muddy as fuck here.
I don't know. You want to pull it over here?
Yeah.
Pull it up some?
We can push it,
Let's say if we have 6 people, let's
Yeah.
make it nice.
right up there on the right.
Oh, it's not go through anymore. It's not in the water. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Always an adventure.
Well, I saw Chris going and I was going to...
I was on greasy shit. I couldn't stop.
There you go, put the leaves over there on the right.
And I was thinking about pulling it up on that ledge. I should have probably just waited. Would have been quicker.
There you go. Now you got some working room. I gotta put my glasses away. They're not doing the damn thing.